Your question is a square of side length 10 centimeter, a quarter circle of radius 10 centimeter is drawn from each vertices of the square. Find the shaded region area. Now what they have told? They have told that the square is of side 10 centimeter. So this is your 10 centimeter. Next what they have told? A quarter circle of radius 10 centimeter is drawn from each vertices. That means if you draw from here, this is your 10 centimeter, the radius. Okay. Now understand this, and we have to find out the shaded region. So here what we will do, just we will make a regions. How we will make this region? Here we will make it as A. This region we will make it as B, and this region we will make it as C. So again this is your C, this is your B, and this is your C, B and C and B. So if we want this A region, what we have to do? So we have to subtract from a square area minus B and C area. So that only we will write. So that means the area of square minus B and C area. But we know that how many B's are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4, and C is also 4. Therefore we will write here 4. So now it will be area of a square minus 4 B plus C area. That we have to do it. Now how we will find out B and C area? For that what we will do, just we will make a construction. So here we will make one construction. What is that? If you draw a triangle from here, like this. So now we will name it. So suppose this is your X, this is your Y and this is your Z point. So this area, so this is 10 centimeter, and we know that this is the quarter circle. So that means every side of this triangle is 10 centimeter. So therefore it's an equilateral triangle. So now we can say triangle XYZ is equilateral. Now here what we have to do? Just we have to go for another region. So suppose this region between this C to X, this region is your D region. D region. That region we have to find it out. For that what we have to do? We need the angles. So this is equilateral triangle. That means this angle is 60 degree. So 60 degree means pi by 3. Pi by 3. And leftover angle is 90 minus 60 is 30 degree. So 30 degree, that means what? Pi by 6. Pi by 6. So first we will find out the D region. How we will find out the D region? That you know that D region is a sector minus this triangle gives you D region. So area of D region. is area of sector minus triangle area. So how we will find out? Area of a sector is what? Theta by 2 r square. So theta is what? Pi by 3. So here we will write pi by 3 into 2 by 2 r square, that means 100. So this and this will go, this is 50. So therefore it will be minus the triangle area, that is equilateral, that is root 3 by 4 r square. So it will be root 3 by 4 r square is 100. Now you can see here this also goes 2 times. So this will be 50. So now how much it is? We will write this. So this is 50 pi by 3. 50 pi by 3 minus root 3, and this will also go in 25. So it will be 25 root 3 centimeter square. So this is the area of D region. Now what we have to do? This region, see this triangle sector. That means if you take this as W, so W, X and Z region, that is one sector now, minus this D region gives you C and D region. So same only we will do here. So now we will go for area of sector what is that sector? W, X and Z minus D region area of D region, that will give you B plus C. So this is B plus C. That only we will find out now. So see that area of sector W is what? Theta by 2 r square. So theta is pi by 6 by 2. That means it will be pi by 12. R square is 100. Now we will divide it by 4. So here it will come 3. Here it will come 25. Minus area of D region is this. So we will subtract it. That means minus 50 pi by 3, and this will become plus 25 root 3. Now solve this. So this is pi 25 by 3, and this is also pi. So what it will be? 25 pi minus 50 pi by 3. So it will give you minus 25 pi. Minus 25 pi by 3 plus 25 root 3. Now, so we got B and C. Now we will go for area of a square, that is 100. So we will go by this. So what we will get? 100 minus this 4 into 4 we have to do. So that means into 4. This is your that into 4. So here it will come 4 into, and this here it is minus. So minus of this. So here it will come minus of 25 pi by 3, then again minus, and it will be 4 into 25 root 3. Solve this. So here what you will get, see this 100 plus 25 minus 100. So you will get what? 100 minus plus 100 pi by 3 minus 100 root 3. So here 100 is common, or we will take as 100 as common. So here you will get 100 1 plus pi by 3 minus root 3. Now this is your answer. So here we will write centimeter square. So like this we have to do it.